talking to you guys about two things: hair and hair flat irons. And I know hair flat irons are so common. They're everywhere, all different kinds of brands. They all do the same thing. But today I'm going to be talking to you about something new, innovative. It's different. It does something different. And it's really, really exciting. So this is the Asavea vibrating flat iron. It's called Vibe. And so this is an actual flat iron that vibrates. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, but it works and it makes a huge difference. I would have never thought it would have made that big of a difference. So this is a pink flat iron. It's ceramic inside. It goes from 320 all the way to 450. It heats up in about a minute. It has the amazing swivel cord so that when you're curling your hair with it, it doesn't get all tangly. And it also cools down very quickly as well. And of course it vibrates. The cool thing about this is this doesn't vibrate all the time. It's just whenever you clamp it closed, it will vibrate on your strands. I really love to use that feature whenever I'm straightening my hair because it just takes away the frizz. Let me tell you a little bit about my hair. I have curly, frizzy, damaged hair from color and from bleach, and so I don't usually like to wear my hair straight that often nowadays because you can tell it is damaged. It doesn't look very good. So when I first tried this, I tried it straight and I tried it vibrating, and it was amazing. It took away the frizz. Not a lot of us have perfect hair, and that's totally okay because this thing's gonna make it look perfect.